With the rise of digital technology, devices such as the Spectrum Remote Control have become an integral part of our daily lives. Having the ability to control your television with the convenience offered by this device not only makes your viewing experience smoother but also more enjoyable. Many users, however, are unsure of how to program their Spectrum Remote to their TVs. This article presents a systematic and comprehensive guide on how to maneuver this process. Starting with a complete understanding of the Spectrum Remote Control, we delve into the features, buttons, and their functionalities, adjusting the notion that efficient use begins with knowledge of your device. The steps to program your remote via manual code search and auto code search are subsequently discussed, ensuring that by the end, you will be well versed with programming your remote, no matter the brand of your TV. Spectrum Remote Control is a device that allows you to operate your Spectrum TV or other compatible devices seamlessly. This universal remote comes loaded with features and buttons to enhance your viewing experience. You'll find standard controls for volume, channel selection, and power. However, you'll also come across keys like guide, info, menu, and color-coded buttons that enable you to interact with your TV's interface and explore additional functionalities. By getting a good grasp of your Spectrum Remote's features, you are stepping closer to mastering its uses. Most Spectrum Remotes have standard function buttons and customized buttons. Some of the standard function buttons include Power button, this turns your TV or cable box on and off. Number buttons, these let you enter channel numbers or access numbered options in the menu. Channel up/down, these buttons make channel surfing easy. Volume up/down, these allow control over audio output. Customized buttons on your Spectrum Remote are the keys to advanced features. Guide button, this opens up your television guide, showing you the TV schedule. Info button, this provides more information about the selected program. Menu button, takes you to the main menu for device settings. Programming your Spectrum Remote to your TV can be done without much hassle. Here is a step-by-step guide. Turn your devices on. Start the programming process by turning on the TV or device you want to program. Press and hold the TV button. On your remote, press and hold the TV button. Enter the code. While you're still holding the TV button, enter the code for your device. This code can typically be found in your TV's manual or online. Release the TV button. Once you've entered your device's code, release the TV button. The LED light on your remote should blink twice if the code was entered correctly. Test the remote. Test your remote by trying to control your TV. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with another code. With these instructions, you should be able to program your Spectrum Remote Control to your TV and enjoy the expansive functionality and convenience it provides. Learning and understanding the Spectrum Remote Control prepares you to digitally engage with your TV beyond just changing channels and adjusting the volume. By getting a thorough understanding of the different buttons and their functionalities, you can enhance your entertainment experience significantly. Remember, practicing using the device will eventually make programming easy and straightforward. In order to begin the process of programming the Spectrum Remote to your TV, it's important to have the manual code ready. This is the specific code related to your TV brand and it can typically be found in your TV's instruction manual or on the brand's official website. If you cannot locate the code, a quick internet search with your TV brand and the term Spectrum Remote Control code should yield valid results. Once you have the manual code ready, turn on your TV and ensure the Spectrum Remote has working batteries. Press the TV button on your Spectrum Remote and then hold the setup button. You should see a light blinking on the remote indicating it's ready to be programmed. Now comes the important part of inputting the manual code. You need to use the number buttons on your Spectrum Remote to key in the manual code you've obtained for your TV brand. As you enter the code, take your time and make sure each number is accurately pressed. Mistyping the code will lead to the entire process needing to be repeated. After the code has been inputted, the light on the Spectrum Remote should blink twice. This indicates the code has been accepted. Now, you can test the remote by pressing the TV's power button on the remote to see if it turns the TV off. In some cases, the specific code might not work. In these instances, you can utilize the manual code search method. This involves scrolling through all possible codes until you find the correct one. To do this, turn on your TV and hold down the TV and setup buttons on your Spectrum remote. Release the buttons when the light on the top of the remote blinks twice. Then press 991. The light should blink twice again. Now, press the 1 button and then start pressing the channel up button slowly and repeatedly. This effectively scrolls through all the available codes. If your TV turns off, you found the correct code. Press the setup button again to lock in the code. Remember, this method may consume more time as you need to go through all the codes until you find the one that successfully works for your TV brand. Be patient and methodical while going through the process. Firstly, ensure that your Spectrum remote has batteries and that it's working. Turn on the TV that you want to pair with the Spectrum remote. Pick up your Spectrum remote, and then press and hold the TV button on the top of the remote until all mode buttons light up. Releasing the TV button, press and hold the OK/Cell button followed by the CH+ button together for about 3 seconds. The TV button will flash 3 times, then start blinking rapidly. This indicates that the remote is scanning through all the codes to find the right one for your TV. With your TV turned on, aim the remote at the TV and slowly alternate between pressing the CH+ and CH button. Notice the changes on your TV. You should see the volume adjusting or the menu pop up. Once one of these changes occur, immediately press the OK/Cell button on the remote. After pressing OK/Cell, the light under the TV button will blink 3 times and then turn off. This is confirmation that the correct code has been found and saved. To ensure that the right code has been saved, test the remote on your TV. Press the power button on the Spectrum remote. If the TV turns off, the remote has been successfully programmed to the TV. You should also try adjusting the volume and accessing the menu with the remote to further test its functionality. Remember, programming the Spectrum remote to function with your TV enables seamless control over your entertainment system, bringing together the nifty world of Spectrum services and your TV's capabilities. If this method fails, you may need to try the manual method of code searching. Through this comprehensive guide, demystifying the process of programming your Spectrum remote to your TV has been achieved. Whether you choose the manual code search method or the auto code search method, a detailed step-by-step guide has been provided for both. Utilizing these instructions will guarantee seamless control over your TV, thereby enriching your viewing experiences. While the process may differ slightly depending on your TV brand, the principles remain the same. Remember, a thorough understanding of your Spectrum remote is vital to master its use. Embrace the convenience that the Spectrum remote control offers and enhance your television viewing experience.